morning, students. Then in the previous classes we have studied about the fraction, the types of fractions, and how to multiply the fractions, two fractions, then whole number by fraction, fraction by whole number. Okay, then today we are going to start the next concept in that chapter. The second concept is decimals. Okay, in the previous year we have studied these concepts, the fractions and decimals. Okay, here decimals. Okay, the decimals are the another form of a fraction. The fraction is another form of a decimals, and the decimals are the another form of the fractions. Here, you take one circle. Okay. Take one square. Okay, take one square. Okay, then 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 4, 12. Okay, the number of equal parts. Then this is a rectangle. The number of equal parts 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 into 3 is 12. The number of equal parts is 12. Okay. Then say 5 parts. 5 parts. Here the fraction of this rectangle is 5 by 12. Then out of 12 equal parts, the 5 parts are colored. 5 parts are shaded parts. Okay. The next, take one example. Your square. Five. Okay. Here, 5 5s are 25. Okay. Then this one fraction. This is a fraction. So take rectangle. Here 2, 4, 8, 10. Okay. Here the 10 equal parts. 10 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 5. 10 equal parts. So here the number of equal parts 10. Number of equal parts 10. And the shaded parts 1, 2, 3, okay, and 6. In this symbol, this shaded part. These are the shaded parts. Here, out of 10 equal parts, the total number of parts is 10. Then out of 10 equal parts, then the 6 are shaded parts. 6 are shaded parts, are colored parts. Okay. Then these are the decimal fractions. Okay. Here the next, you take another example. 5 by 100. 5 by 100. The 5 by 100. Then out of 100 parts, out of 100 equal parts, the 5s are colored here. 20 by 1000. 20 by 1000. Then 15 by 10,000. 15 by 10,000. Then these are the decimal fractions. Decimal fractions. Decimal fractions. Here. Then 6 divided by 10. 6 divided by 10, it means 0.6. Then 5 divided by 100, it means 0.06, 0.05 means here. Then this one is 0.020. Okay, these are the decimal fractions. These are the decimal fractions. Here 1 by 1000, 1 by 100, 1 by 10, 1 by 100, 1 by 1000. Okay, 1 by 10,000. It means the denominators, the decimal fractions contains the numerator and denominators. Numerator and denominators 1 by 10, 1 by 100, 1 by 100, 1 by 1000. Okay, 1 by 1000. Here the denominators of the fraction, denominators of the each fraction is a multiple of 10, multiples of 10. Here 10 ones are 10, 10 tens are here. The multiply 10 by 10 into 100, the multiplied by 1000 into 1000. Okay, then these denominators are the multiples of 10, multiples of 10. Okay, here for example 2.43, 2.43. Okay, and this is a decimal number. This is decimal number. Okay, then these are the decimal numbers. The decimal numbers, but these are in the form of fractions. These are in the form of fractions. Here the 2.43. 2.43 is a decimal number. Okay, here the point. This point indicates the decimal point. Decimal point. Decimal point. Here, then in between then this part. Then before the decimal point, before the number to the before the decimal point, then that is a integral part or whole number. Whole number or integral part. Whole number or integral part. And this is then after decimal point is after the decimal point, the number which are the numbers are then after the decimal point. After the decimal points are decimal places. Decimal part. Then this is a whole number part. Then before the decimal point. Before the decimal point, the numbers are the whole numbers of whole part or integral part. And after the decimal point, okay, after the decimal point of the numbers, which are the decimal part, which are the decimal. Here, decimal ಮುಂಚೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ decimal point ಮುಂಚೆ ಬರುವಂತ ಎಲ್ಲ ಏನಂತ ನಾವು whole numbers or whole number part or integral part and decimal point. This is a decimal point. Okay, the decimal point ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ numbers ಬರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೀವಿ decimal part. Decimal part. Okay, here you know the place value chart, of the numerals, place value chart of the numerals. Here the units, hundred, tens, okay, unit tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. Okay, then these are all the places are before the decimal point. Before the decimal point means they are integral parts or whole number parts. Okay, here then ordering the decimals. Next one, here then first I will study the like decimals and unlike decimals. Okay, here we know that the like fractions and unlike fractions, the fraction having the same denominators. Here 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 4 by 5 and 6 by 5. Then these are the like fractions. Then because the fractions having the same denominators 5, 5, 5, 5, these are the like fractions. The unlike fractions having the different denominators. Okay. In the decimals, the like decimals and unlike decimals. The like decimals then depends upon the place value of the numbers, place value of the decimal number, Then first way study. Okay. Here the chart. Okay, it means unit. Okay, unit, tens, 100, 100, 100 lakh, 10 lakh, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. Then after the unit place, here the decimal point. Unit place. ಇವಾಗಲೂ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ, ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬರೋದು. ಓಕೆ, after the decimal point the numbers are, then before the decimal point the integral part or whole number part, then after the decimal point then that places are here. Tens, okay, tens, hundreds, hundreds, HUN, hundreds. Next, thousands. Okay, then here, then this is unit is means 1 into 1 into any number, 1 into any number, and this is 1 into 10, 1 into 10, and this is any number into 100. Then before the decimal place, before the decimal point, all are the numbers are whole numbers or integral part. Okay, the whole numbers means here 1 into 100. Okay, then 1 into 10, it means 10. 10 again, 1 into 10, 2 into 10, 3 into 10. The 1 into 10 means 10. 1 into 2 into 10 is 20. Then 3 into 10 is 30. Then 4 into 10 is 40. Then like that, the 1 into 100 is 100. The 2 into 100 is 200, 300, 400, 500. Okay. Then after the number, after the decimal point, after the decimal place. Okay. Here the tens. Then this means, then we multiply the unit into 1, then tens into 10, then hundreds into 100. Okay, here the number into 100, the number into 10, the number into 1. Then after the decimal point, the places are tens, the tens, hundreds, thousands. Okay, THS, then THS. Okay, it means here in the integral part, in the whole number part, we multiply the power, we multiply the 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh to the numbers, any number. Here then after the decimal point, we divide the number by 10. The tens means any number divided by 10. Any number divided by 10. This one. Any number divided by 100. And this one. Any number is divided by 1000. Any number is divided by 1000. Okay. Here the places are after the decimal point. Here the decimal point. Okay, decimal point ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ decimal point ಮುಂಚೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಹೇಳಿನಿ unit place ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ decimal point. Then after the unit place, unit ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ decimal point ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. decimal point ಮುಂದಿದ್ದಿದೆ next place ಯಾವುದು, tens place. It means 1 divided by 10 or any number divided by 10. Any number divided by 10. The next place hundreds. Hundreds means 1 divided by 100. ಇಲ್ಲಿ hundreds ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ 1 into 100 2 into 100 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ whole numbers ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ okay powers here the multiples of 10 10 ones are 10 10 tens are 100 okay 10 hundreds are 1000 these are the multiples of tens multiples of 10 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ the decimal numbers ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ divided by 10 divided by 100 divided by thousands here the tens means any number divided by 10 hundreds means any number divided by 100 thousands means any number divided by 1000 okay here the decimal point take one example here 3 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 okay here these are the numbers the expanded form of this number is then here 3 into 100 means 300 4 into 10 is 40 5 into 1 is 5 it means then I go to 300 then read 345 point decimal point 345 point right read like this 678 not 678 okay idenenagode 678 678 ಅಲ್ಲ ಏನಬೇಕು 678 345.678 then the expand form of this number is 3 into 100 plus of 4 into 10 3 is in the place of hundreds 4 in the place of tens and 5 into 1 okay wait then here 3 into 100 expand form 3 into 100 plus 4 into 10 plus 5 into 1 the next one is next place is 6 the 6 ಏನೈತಿ decimal point ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಐತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾನು any number divided by 10 means 6 divided by 10 6 divided by 10 it means 6 into 1 divided by 10 it means the 6 into 1 is 6 divided by 10 plus of 7 into 1 divided by 100 the 7 in the place of hundreds then plus of 8 into 1 divided by 1000 8 into 1 divided by 1000 means here 300 plus 40 plus 5 into 1 is 5 plus it means 6 into 1 is 6 divided by 10 plus of 7 divided by 100 plus of 8 divided by 1000 8 divided by 1000 here 6 divided by 10 means 7 divided by 100 8 divided by 1000 okay 6 divided by 10 6 divided by 10 the 6 na ಏನು ಮಾಡಿ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊ 10 ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರ 10 ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರ 1 ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಹಿಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಬೇಕು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇತ್ತಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂತು 10 20 ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರ 2 ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ 30 ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರ 3 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಹಿಂದೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂತು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿತ್ತ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂತು ಇದು ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು 2 places ಹಿಂದೆ ಬರಬೇಕು 1 2 20 means 2 place ಅಂದ್ರೆ decimal point ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ 1 place decimal point ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ 2 places the decimal point ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ 3 places decimal point ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ 3 places ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿತ್ತ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿತ್ತ 1 place 2 place 3 place ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿತ್ತ ಈಗ ನೀನು 7 ಅನ್ನ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊ 7 ಅನ್ನ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊ ಓಕೆ then this is a whole part ಇದನ್ನೇನಂತ ಓದ್ತಿ 345 ಇದನ್ನೇನಂತ ಓದ್ತಿ 678 0.678 ಇದು ನೋಡಿ 0 it means 345 plus 6 divided by 10 is 0.6 7 divided by 100 means 0.07 0.008 okay then 0.008 means here the number is 345.6 the 6 in the place of tens 6 in the place of tens 7 in the place of hundreds tens ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ tens ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ hundreds ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ 1000 then 345.678 here the 6 in the place of tens 7 in the place of hundreds then 8 in the place of thousands and this is the place value chart of the decimals here the divided by 10 is point any number the divided by 100 means the point 0 any number okay here 0.07 here are the 3 places if the unit of the take an examples okay here 2 okay 2 the 2 means 2 divided by 10 means 0.2 and 3 divided by 10 means 0.3 and divided by 100 4 divided by 100 it's 0 20 point ಎಲ್ಲಿತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಬರೆಯಪ್ಪ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಐತಾನೆ ಇದನ್ನ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಓಕೆ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಐತಂದ್ರೆ 20 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ 2 ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ 10 ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂತು ಇಲ್ಲಿತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂತು ಈಗ 20 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಐತಿ ಈಗ 1 2 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ 0 it means 0.04 ನೋಡಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿತ್ತ 4 ಮುಂದಿತ್ತ divided by 100 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 place 2 place 1 place 2 place next here 41 divided by 1000 divided by 1000 okay here 41 decimal point illa itti 41 is a number inenantati 41 is a whole number 41 is a whole number decimal point elli irtante ಹೇಳಿ then after the unit place illa ita point this 030 na here one place second place and third place it means ಏನು place ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಹಾಕಬೇಕು 0 ಹಾಕಬೇಕು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ 1 2 and 3 place 30 means 3 places 30 means 3 places 1 2 3 0 point ಬರ್ದ್ರೆ ನಡೆದು ಬರಲಿ 0.041 okay then this is the decimal value the place value chart of decimals okay